Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In this tutorial, we will explore how to find the local IP addresses of your computer using Python's standard library. Local IP addresses are used to identify devices within a local network, and they are essential for tasks like network configuration, socket programming, or setting up local servers. We will use the socket module, which is a part of Python's standard library, to accomplish this task. The socket module provides functions for working with sockets and network-related tasks. Before you begin, make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can download Python from the official website python.org if it's not already installed. This tutorial is written for Python 3.x. Python's socket module provides a simple way to find local IP addresses. We'll use the socket.gethostbyname function to obtain the local IP address. Here's a step-by-step guide with code examples. Let's break down what the code does. We import the socket module. We define a function get_local_IP_address that performs the following steps. We call the get_local_IP_address function to retrieve the local IP address. Finally, we print the local IP address or a message indicating a failure. Save the code to a Python file, example local_IP_finder.py, and run it using your Python interpreter. You should see your local IP address printed to the console. In this tutorial, you've learned how to find the local IP address of your computer using Python's standard library's socket module. This information can be useful for various networking tasks, such as setting up a local server or configuring network connections. ChatGPT.